From Los Angeles to Miami, New York to London, there's a recent emergence of medical spas in the marketplace to help respond to the exponential demand and growth of non-invasive aesthetic procedures. The global medical spa market is expected to exceed $130 billion by 2020 and is growing at a rate of 9%. Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center is an age management and wellness destination that has been providing unparalleled, innovative services since its founding in 2005. Opening first in West Los Angeles, Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center has attracted celebrities like Joanna Krupa, Dean Cain, and Marilia Moreno. Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center seeks to rebalance and rejuvenate the whole person in a comfortable and supportive environment through healthcare advancements and customized programs.